Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you see by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be cleaning up the Kawasaki. This is the graphic kit I ordered. I just kind of wanted to do a little unboxing, open it with you guys. My nice switchblade. Oh my goodness gracious. Is that it? That's it. Alright. I don't know if you can see that bottom left corner. Maybe a sneak peek of what the dirt bike's going to look like. There it is. Also, I actually was going to do this as custom matching on Flu Designs. That's what it's called. I was actually going to do this on Flu Designs website, but they were actually out of these. So I just ordered mine on eBay. I just ordered my front and side number plate from Rocky Mountain and customized it there. So that's going to be coming in a few days as well. But let's see what we got. It's the KX. That looks cool. Alright, let's see over here. The Flu Designs logo. Alright, let's flip it over. Oh yeah, that looks super cool. That's my airbox sticker. Ooh, we got instructions too. As fun as this sounds, I may actually look at the instructions. I watched like a bunch of tips on YouTube on how to put like graphic kits on. I'll link them down in the description. But no joke, I actually may read this just to see how they do it. Like I said before, we do have the front number plate and the side plate custom from Rocky Mountain coming as well. So, and Luke got one for his Yamaha. He got a... Oh, well.
I might have gotten a sticker for something, maybe.
Yeah, well, he definitely got the sticker. All right, man, we're gonna start the video off. It's gonna be a couple days because we're in college right now. So, to the future us. Okay, it's the next day. We're getting ready to put on the shrouds. I'm definitely not going to be doing everything today. I hope. That would be bad. I'm going to start simple, try to get warmed up. I'm going to start doing the front shrouds first. Or, not the shrouds, the mud flaps. My bad. These are the shrouds. I know. These are the shrouds. The mud flaps, I'm sorry. And then the airbox stickers looked fairly easy too, so I'm probably going to do those next after that. But yeah, let's just see how it goes. This shroud did not go as planned. I did it like 8 times. The alignment's not perfect by any means. I did the best I could. It turned out not the best, but it was my first go around. From a distance, it won't really matter anyway. Wasn't my best go around. However, for this one, I did a different approach. So I took a knife, cut in the center of the plastic, just the paper part, with a ruler about 1 inch in diameter. And then I did one side and then I did the other side. I think for the rest of the kit, I'm just going to do that method. None of them turned out bad by any means, but I think this one turned out a little bit better than the other one. Of course, practice makes perfect, so let's keep moving on. Got the swing arm stickers done. They look sweet. All right, let's do the airbox. Let's give that a go. Day 3 is done. It is over. All the stickers are on the bike. All the graphics are done. The reveal in 3, 2, 1, and there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, it is complete. It is finished. It is done. All the graphics are on. She's ready to race. Front number plate, you got my name. For those of you who do not know, the Goode is like the Goode Bikes channel. The Goode is our last name. Originally, I considered these to be the hardest ones that were put on, but for the final stretch, the last 2 stickers I put on were the front number plate and this side plate. It was extremely hard, I'm not gonna lie. It gave me a lot of problems. As you can see right here, that is not a sticker. I had to cut all this off. Literally the one covering the bolt was like over the bolt, and I tried stretching it. None of the stickers lined up, so everything else turned out sweet. I think it looks great. Number plate, you got the AMA motocross stickers, which I think is cool. Rocky Mountain, and then the attack graphics. Then you got the Bridgestone on the bottom. Also, for you who don't know, if you watched the enduro video that I posted last time, my fork seals were just shot. I was spewing oil everywhere, so my forks were done. Got new fork oil, fork seals in this. Got new grips as well, and there was a piece of plastic broken inside that was like keeping it from snapping back. It was like dragging, and I never knew what was the problem, but we took it apart, and now it's nice and snappy. Over here is Luke's graphics. We got the Rocky Mountain stickers last night. I was too tired to put them on because I just got off work. But he did the 2 side panels. He didn't get a full graphic kit. They look clean though. I like the black and the blue. It looks cool. And yeah, I guess we'll cut to Luke coming home, putting on the graphics for the YZ.
Did you have to peel them up at all, or did they go on pretty easy?
The front number plate was pretty tough.
Yeah,
believe it or
that's
not.
why I did the sides first, because our number plates aren't flat. They got all these edges on them. Yeah, mine were easy to put on, but I had to trim a lot around the edges on mine.
Raid this man down in the comments saying he needs to get a full graphic kit. 3 stickers aren't good enough for the Goode Bike channel.
I like mine. Y'all put hate.
Nah, bro, it needs to be full graphic kit. Look, he doesn't even have one on his fork guards.
Yeah, I have molding on my fork guards. That is molding.
What do you think of the KX though, man?
That's one good looking bike, I have to say.
It is complete, ladies and gentlemen. The YZ and the KX get a new look. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be looking forward to more motocross and enduro. Take 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make. It took some time and progress to get everything complete on the bikes, but overall I think they turned out pretty well.
Click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more Goode Bike content that you don't want to miss. Hopefully this spring we're going to be doing some hair scrambles and maybe some motocross races if I can get Zach to get his bike dirty. The KX is looking super clean. Got a full graphic kit on it. I just got numbers on mine because I'm cheap.
Hassle him. Make sure that he gets a full graphic kit. We got to hassle him. He needs to get one like the KX.
As I said, I just got stickers because I'm cheap. But thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.